Hello friends, I am Renu and this is computer tutorial for class 7. Today in number system, let's do conversion from one number system to another. In this one, I will take up the topic of decimal number to binary number conversion. Now let's see what the rules are. The first step is divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Since binary number has the base 2, so whatever decimal number has been given, that has to be divided with base 2. So first we will divide with 2. Second step is write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Suppose for the decimal number you had taken 14. So when you divide 14 with 2, what will be the remainder? 14 divided by 2, remainder will be 0. And divide the quotient again by 2. So you will write the remainder, and what quotient you got? You got 7 as a quotient. So that will be written on the right side, and then 7 will be divided again by 2. And step 3 says repeat the step 2. So this step, that means writing the remainder again and again and dividing the quotient, will be done again and again till the quotient is 0. So these are the 3 steps. Let's understand this with the help of an example. The example is convert 156 to the base 10. When you write 10 on the right side, it means this 156 number is a decimal number to its binary equivalent. So now this conversion has to be done. And if you remember the steps, first we have to divide 156 with 2. Binary means 2. So let's see the solution. Here you have written 156, and for dividing it you will write 2 on the left side. When you divide 156 with 2, you will get 78 as the quotient. I will tell you that please do it in rough. When you divide 156 with 2, quotient will be 78. So that will be written below 156. This is quotient. And remainder, what was the remainder for 156? That will be 0. So that remainder will be written on the right side. Got it? First, the decimal number will be divided with 2. You remember the steps now? Divide the decimal number with the base 2. So 156 has been divided by 2. Write down the remainder. So what remainder you got? 0 as the remainder. And divide the quotient again by 2. Now 78 was the quotient. So it will again be divided by 2. So till when you have to divide? So you have to divide till the quotient becomes 0. Quotient is 0. So until you get 0 as a quotient, you will keep on dividing it. So now let's see. 78, when it will be divided by 2, you will get 39 as the quotient. I am saying 39 as the quotient, but you have to check this out. How you will get 39 as the quotient. If I show you, if this is 78, when you divide it by 2, 2 3s are 6. So after subtracting you will get 1. Then 8 will be written here. 2 9s are 18. When you subtract you will get 0. So this is remainder. It will be written on the right side. 39 is the quotient. This will be written below the number. Now check. Right after writing down the remainder, repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. Is 39 equal to 0? Is this quotient 0? No. So again you have to divide the quotient by 2. So 39 will be divided by 2. What you will get? This time you will get 19. So 19 will be quotient, and when you divide, this time 0 is not the remainder. 1 is the remainder. Then again keep on dividing. When you divide 19 by 2, 9 will be quotient, 1 will be remainder. When you divide 9 by 2, 4 will be quotient, 1 will be remainder. Then after dividing 4 by 2, 2 will be quotient, 0 will be remainder. When you divide 2 by 2, 1 will be quotient, 0 will be remainder. Now check out. When you divide 1 by 2, do you remember the division? If you divide 1 by 2, so 2 zeros are 0. So what you will get? 1. Now this time, this is the quotient which has become 0. So now we will stop the process. So when you get quotient as 0, then no more division will be done. And in this case, remainder is 1. So that will be written here. Now, when after all this division, whatever remainders we have got, for writing the answer, remainders has to be picked up from below. So when you write, the binary equivalent will be 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Can you see here? 1, this is this one. Then 0, 0, so 2 zeros. Then 3 ones, so 3 ones. And then 2 zeros, so this 2 0. I hope you have understood this. Try to listen to the video again if you did not understand. And let's see what practice question you can do. So here are a few practice question. Convert decimal into binary. 170 to the base 10, that is decimal, and it has to be converted into binary. For this one, answer you will get as 10101010. To the base 2 means this is a binary number. Whenever you write the base, that shows which number system is it. Then question number 2 will be 85 to the base 10. So 85 is a decimal number. It has to be converted into binary. Question number 3, 28 to the base 10. It has to be converted into binary. Question mark means what number will come here? What number will come here? So this is the binary number which should come here. This is the binary answer which you should get here. This is the binary answer which you should get here. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.